very unfair for the government talk about the people them nothing and make no video, because at the end of the day at the same video why we end up get so much help. Now you can tell me why I wake up this morning and see a cease and desist letter from the government. When me tell you say these people are so petty, me mean say them petty.
Yes guys, Missy, where Talk It As It Is podcast got a written warning that he must desist from saying anything towards the government. But Mr. Prime Minister, isn't freedom of speech legal? I never knew freedom of speech was illegal. And the mere fact that I've never heard this young man disrespected you in any of his videos that he put out on YouTube, I've never